Hello everybody. What we got here are some receivers I 3D printed. They're just meant to be mock-ups, not able to be fired or anything. Just figuring out how to change my design around. What they are is like my redesign, just to get some blueprints and be able to make this Russian design. It's called a TP-82. It's a drilling. It's German for triplet. Have 3 barrels, only 2 hammers, but 2 shotgun barrels and a rifle barrel. They're based on a Russian design, like I said. It's called the TP-82. It was actually a cosmonaut survival pistol. They had one cosmonaut return to Earth, get stuck in Siberia, and he thought that the Makarov that he had wouldn't be good enough to fend off bears and wolves, so he helped design this. Again, that's the TP-82, and I'm just doing this redesign to hopefully have this built by a machine shop with an FFL. It would end up being any other weapon because it has a combination of shotgun and a rifle barrel. They're only going to be about 13 inches, and what we have here is some mounting holes for a stock. And the stock isn't just a normal stock, it's actually a machete, so sounds interesting to you. You should probably give it a look. It's called a TP-82. There's several good articles, a couple other YouTube videos about them. I don't think anybody else has gone for a redesign though, so hopefully have one made for myself, maybe start a gun company, who knows. So this one was the first one I printed. As soon as I took it off the build plate though, I broke it. It dropped right off. I'm using a resin 3D printer. The build quality on this first one here, I labeled them number 1. Build quality is pretty good. I messed up the Z-axis though, so this one I ended up having to do some sanding on. I realized what I did though, and I recalibrated the Z-axis. So yeah, this one was the first one. And then I printed it in 2 pieces here because kind of exceeds the size of my printer. So I've got this line here. I just printed the rest of the grip here and super glued them together. In my design, I actually didn't have any clearance between the pieces, so I had to do a lot of sanding. This piece it's part of the latch to latch the barrel shut. So everything was a bit sticky, so I've got to go back through my CAD and give everything some clearance. I used some silver Sharpie here to kind of outline some of the things I want to change. This here is the selector for the left hammer. It only has 2 hammers, but 3 barrels. So there needs to be a selector on the left hammer to select between the left shotgun barrel and the rifle barrel. These were originally in it was about 32 gauge for the shotgun and 5.45 for the rifle. I'm doing mine in 28 gauge and 6.5 Grendel. Maybe if I were to start a gun company like I mentioned, probably offer them in a couple different calibers. Probably 5.56 rather than 5.45, a little more available here in the US. That'd be quite a ways down the road though. Right now I have a clear receiver printing. It should be pretty neat to be able to see like the inner workings, but as I said, I'll have to go back through and make sure all the small parts have enough clearance to actually fit. Yeah, I'll post some more updates, but just wanted to show you what I've been working on. Thanks. Bye.